Trick question. What has more calcium than milk, more vitamin C than oranges? What has more omega-3s than salmon? Do you know the answer? In this video, I am going to share with you the food that has all these things and so many great benefits. Hey y'all, it's your girl Portia Nicole, and in this video today I am going to share with you an amazing food that has so many great benefits. So did you figure out the riddle? Do you know what has more calcium, iron, omega-3s, potassium? Do you know? If you don't know, it is chia seeds. And you're probably like, wait a minute, what are chia seeds? Chia seeds are these little tiny black seeds that come from the chia plant. And you're probably thinking like, well, is it like a nut or what is it actually? Chia is actually in the mint family, and this seed is so small, but it is so packed with nutrients. Most people use them as fillers when they put them in their smoothies. And you're probably saying, okay, what's a filler? A filler is usually foods that you can put in like your smoothies, and it'll help you feel full. A lot of times, most people, when they're trying to lose weight and they're using smoothies, they'll complain that they always feel hungry, and so they eat more than what they're supposed to. Filler is something that will make you feel full, and therefore you're not going to eat as much. Now, chia seeds are able to accomplish this because they absorb water, and when they absorb the water, they grow. So when they grow, they help you feel so much fuller. And this is why most people will put them in their smoothies. There are so many benefits when it comes to chia seeds. Like, it provides you with calcium, omega-3s. It provides you with your vitamin C. Here are some of the things that you can use chia seeds and they can help you with. So the first thing that chia seeds are beneficial with is joint pain. Joint pain, inflammation. The second thing that chia seeds are great for is they're great when it comes to weight management. Because they help you feel full, if you're taking them and you're putting them in your smoothies, you're not going to eat as much. The third benefit when it comes to chia seeds are they give you so much energy. Even though they are small, they are packed with so much energy, and they also help you with your stamina. Now, if you are trying to detox or cleanse, chia seeds are great as well for that. Chia seeds not only gets rid of toxins, but it helps cleanse your colon. So if you're trying to detox, if you're trying to lose weight, this is a great food to help you do all those things because it really works with your digestive system, and it helps to get things moving, and it helps to cleanse your body. So listen, if you're trying to lose weight and you're trying to cleanse, get you a bag of chia seeds. You're going to love the result. Another benefit to chia seeds is that it normalizes your blood sugar. So if you are having blood sugar issues, if you suffer from diabetes, pre-diabetes, chia seeds are great for you because they will help you stabilize your blood sugar. Now, I know I went through a ton of things that chia seeds are beneficial for, but I also wanted to let you know that you can cook with chia seeds. You don't have to limit yourself to just having smoothies. In the description box below, I am going to share one of my favorite chia seeds recipes. I want you to try it. I want you to let me know what it tastes like. Most people do not know how to cook with it, but I'm going to share that recipe with you. So this is a pack of chia seeds. I normally get my chia seeds from my local health food store. You can probably find these at your local stores like Walmart, Target. They are great. They're very low price. I paid $2.99 for this whole pack. And remember, a serving size is 1 ounce. So you don't even need a lot as a serving size. And with that, it's only about 140 calories. Now remember, it's great as a filler. So what it's going to help you do, like I said before, it is going to help you feel full. So you don't need to eat a lot of it. Now, not only are they great to put in your smoothies, like I said, you can put them in your oatmeal. You can actually eat them. If you wanted to eat them separately, you can eat them separately. Chia seeds are very great, very nutritional. It is great when it comes to having your vitamin C, your calcium, your omega-3s, your potassium. So definitely you need to add chia seeds to your diet. And if you don't believe me, just try it and let me know what you think in the comments.